Alright, so here we are now. We've got the hoods on the truck at least. You guys saw that. That was fun in the dark, but we actually got it lined up pretty good. And again, we're losing daylight, so we're going to try and get to it. I have to run the rear lighting harness in the truck here, and hopefully that doesn't take too very long. And once that's done, I can fire it up. I ended up putting the old fan belt back on, or the new fan belt that was too thin back on. It's missing one rib per width because I can't get one available for the next couple of days, and we need this truck mobile. So we're going to run that belt, and I know it'll be fine. It's just not as nice as it should be. But let's get to it. Alright, so the wiring is ran as far back as I can do right now. I gotta get up in the back end a little bit, weasel some wires through a cross member. But what do you say we fire it up? Had to hook it all up because the neutral safety wiring was there. A little cranky. It's cold out. Oh, jeez. I can't make this up. It was just bleeding fuel. Right through the carburetor. The float stuck. And this is a brand new carburetor. There's no reason why the float should stick. It's got fuel filters and everything in the way. There's no reason why it should stick. It worked perfect on the other engine. Pulled it off, drained it, put it there, bolted it on. And now it's, so well, I have to see if I can get it to come loose, or but minimum I'm going to have to check the oil now. It's fresh oil, but it was trickling in some pretty good amount of fuel. So I'm going to have to let that set overnight, probably pull the spark plugs out. Well, it is what it is. But it sure looks pretty in there, doesn't it?